Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to download videos from Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you can log into Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or no need to log in if you already have the link. So I'm here on Facebook and I will find video to download. This one, 11 amazing benefits of aloe vera. To copy the link, just go here on the top and then click this copy link, and we'll go to the website. fbdown.net. So I will paste the URL here, then enter. So this is the website that can download the videos from Facebook. Then I will go back to copy the link and then go back to the website. I will paste the link here and click this download. So this is the video. You can choose download video in normal quality or in HD quality. So I will choose HD quality. So here on the lower portion, click this and then click this download. So the video is downloading. Next, I will show how to download video from Twitter. So I'll go to Twitter, then here I will find videos to download. Okay, this video. So to copy the link, just click here in the lower portion and then copy link to tweet. Then I will go back to the browser and I will paste the URL of the website. So the website is twittervideodownloader.com. So I will go back to Twitter and copy the link. And then I will paste the link here and click download. Then you can choose the resolution 640 by 360 or 480 by 270 MP4. So I'll choose 640 by 360. Okay, this is the video. Next, click here and then click this download. Okay, that's the second video. Next is to download videos from Instagram. So the website is downloadinstagramvideos.net. This is the website that you can use to download videos from Instagram. Next, I will go to Instagram and find videos. Okay, this video. So to copy the link, just click here on the top and then copy the link. Copy link. Next, go to browser and then paste the link here. And then click this download Instagram video. So this is the video. So click this download video in MP4. Then click here. Click this download again. So that was the third video. So the first video, I will try to open this one. Okay, this is the video from Facebook. Next, I will open the second video. Okay, this is the video from Twitter. Next, the third video. Okay, this is the video from Instagram. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.